This is proper hemming procedure here. We like to hem on site.
Welcome to Dollhouse Beautiful.
Hi, my name is Marie Flanigan from Houston, Texas. I'm the principal of Marie Flanigan Interiors. My team has been so invested in this project. We've had so much fun. I started the project really just inspired by like a Nantucket cottage. So I really wanted to keep it light and bright and fresh. I chose this misty paint color because I loved that it had a blue undertone but was still a gray and a neutral, and provided just a beautiful backdrop to allowing the shingles to really pop. And this bathed blue was just so fun and happy. I loved these little wooden benches, and I thought they would be perfect for the front porch, just a place to sit. The top floor is definitely meant to be more of a kid's space. I wanted to layer different patterns while keeping with the same color scheme of the home. So my team is usually really busy, and I always hate kind of, loading more things on their plate. So they got wind of the fact that I was working on this, and they got so excited and so into it. And they were like, this is why we do what we do every day. This is like gonna be so much fun. Our entire team just loved every minute of it. I feel good. We incorporated these balsa wood twin beds with a beautiful little stained bench at the end of each one. And then Hunt Sloanum did these gorgeous little paintings, which are personal to me because I had one of his paintings in my nursery. And so I loved kind of the idea of using his paintings above both of these twin beds. Well, we found some extra fabric laying around the office and created these little pillows. And then we loved this little kid-sized chair that we painted to match the fabric.
Hi, I'm Mike Gracie, fourth generation president of Gracie. I'm here today to install this customized version of our beach wallpaper, scenic wallpaper. So we're getting ready to install it with the expert help of my senior artist, Taki, who's joining us today. Everything came out great. Taki did an amazing job, and everything went in just beautifully, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to see the rest of the room.
So the master bedroom is all about elegance, and the crowning moment in this space is the hand-painted chinoiserie wallpaper. We really just kind of wanted to accent it with elegance by pairing it with silk white drapery, these kind of two statement nightstands, some plaster lamps, and this beautiful antique mirror that I found in Round Top, Texas. My director of design is a ninja on the sewing machine, and she sat there and sewed each one of these, and then we ironed them to have pleats. Typically, I like my drapery to just kiss the floor, so that's what we're gonna do today. Perfect. This is proper hemming procedure here. We like to hem on site. We had to do a dollhouse kitchen, complete with a hood and a slab backsplash, and of course it comes with a La Cornue stove. I really wanted to do a mix of contemporary and traditional pieces throughout the space. I love the Jillian O'Neill sofa paired with a little bit more of an antique vintage chair. One of my favorite pieces is also the Quintus coffee table that was 3D printed. William McClure did a one-of-a-kind original painting for this space that I really feel like finishes off the entire room. I think this dollhouse really reflects my personal style because I love using traditional detailings in a more contemporary way. I really wanted to do an open concept so that the boys and girls can really play and use the space and not feel too tight. I really wanted them to be able to explore the different features we were giving them in the kitchen, and then, just have the room to, let the dolls explore. It was really neat to not only get my team involved, but get all of our vendors and the people who work with us every day to be a part of it. Thank you guys. I had so much fun today. Thanks for watching Dollhouse Beautiful.